All right, if working on the road is a must and you're a digital nomad or a full-time RVer, or you just love to travel around the world, this little Numen right here by GlocalMe is gonna be your new best friend. Guys, I've been on the road for a few years, worked every day with internet. Internet is a must-have. There have been so many times where we travel to remote areas around the country and you just don't have internet. Or you might be on AT&T and AT&T is not in that location, so Verizon is, or T-Mobile is. And so there's been many times that I've had to drive to get a signal for my carrier. Not anymore. With this thing, it picks up. I don't have Verizon as my full-time carrier, but this thing has Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, even some local ones, and you can have it go over 170 different countries. Now, I don't travel outside the country that much for my use case, but I do when you go on cruises and when you're just on vacation. But for me, this protects my livelihood, and so it's a must. It's always in the bag, ready to go. It stays charged all the time, and it's picking up a Verizon signal where I don't have a signal. So let me show you guys right here. I'm just out in Booneyville. I don't have a signal on my phone. I have to use the park Wi-Fi, and we know how stable that is. But this thing is picking up a Verizon signal, and it's faster than what I'm getting for Wi-Fi. The prices on here, they're not bad. It's like 40 bucks for an entire month. That's not bad of internet. And you can do it by the day. So if you are traveling like 1, 5, 10 days, 14 days, 2 weeks, you can always pick that up, right? The really cool thing too as well is for family users, this thing will connect up to 16 different devices. So you can have your TVs, your computers, your phones, family members, as many devices as you need. Now, if you need more than 16 devices, yeah, probably need to talk. It's completely touchscreen. It's going to show you exactly how many users are connected to it. So if you recognize something, you can drop them. You can actually bind it so that only you can use it, right? The other thing is it's cloud SIM. So it's a patented technology where you don't need a physical SIM card. You don't have to have an eSIM. You just connect to it and your SIM and your data is stored in the cloud. Now, again, this is the only one that I know that does that, where it's just super easy. No matter where you go, you can grab a SIM from that local area and you can grab it from the cloud. You don't have to go into a store, physical thing. Everything is done right here in the brains of this unit. Again, if you're a digital nomad, full-time RVer, or you just like to travel and you need internet connection, this little thing is going to be your new best friend.